Hey, what's up, channel link holder? Today is a good day for channel link holders. This is live price predication of channel link. You watching ABS Tech channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all notification. I updating you any hour. Okay, so just click on the subscribe button. Okay, let's see the last hour result. You check it out. This is last 1 hour result. Absolutely going good. This is 0.0 plus 0.77%. Absolutely good result, good change for exactly channel link holders. So let's see the highest change. The highest change of channel link is 27.61 US dollar. Absolutely good. This is the buying time. I think this is buying time for good time for buyers. So just buy it. What your opinions? Just comment down. I'm also holder of channel link. Just comment. Okay, so let's see the last 2 hour result of channel link. Just click on the last 2 hour result. Okay, I clicked out the last 2 hour result. I hope that last 2 hour result is absolutely good. So this is, you can see here the last 2 hour result as plus 1.73%. This is absolutely going good. This is absolutely going. You can check it out the last highest change as 27.61 US dollar, and I hope today they easily cross it 30 US dollars. But what you can say, what your opinions, what your suggestion, just comment here. Okay, and what your thoughts to this is buying time or this is selling time, you just comment me. Okay, so let's see all communication for my brothers. Let's see that. Okay, you just subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any kind of bad news or good news. Okay, so just subscribe it and take care. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.